So, people have been asking me how to play on Minecraft servers in SKlauncher from my last video. Here is how I do it. First, we need to find a cracked public Minecraft server. You can easily find one on Google, so let's search for one right now. Let's pick this website. Here is the server's IP. We'll use that so we can join multiplayer. Copy it. Now click on Add Server and paste it right there. We need to register a password first to join. Type /register and type any password 2 times and click Enter. And voila! Now you can play multiplayer. There are a lot of different websites to find servers on, and this also works on any Minecraft, whether you're looking for a Bedrock server, Java server, or even a server for paid and cracked Minecraft. That's the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I will also appreciate it if you like this video. Watch this next to learn how to get free Minecraft.